I like to use the Vetoro cordless 18 volt for an undercut saw, what some people will call a jam saw. This is a piece of hardwood flooring. It could be tile. I use the piece of material as my offset. I put it up against the door jamb. I set it up. See how easy it is? Get the battery on there, and I'm ready to cut. It's the perfect flush cutting saw. So great application for the cordless Vetoro OSC 18. It is really simple doing a cabinet installation. This is coming out of the wall. It's an electrical box. You do your layout, you measure, you mark, and you can cut with the plunge base exactly to the line with no blade wander this way. It cuts perfect because there's a little magnet on this plunge base. Let's get cutting. Perfect. So a great application for the cordless Vetoro is, say I gotta do a long straight run. I'm gonna just use this drywall for example. What I've done is I put the circular blade on here, and I've put the shoe, because this allowed me to do a continuous cut at a certain depth. So I've taken a piece of drywall, and you see this little green tab here. I've adjusted the depth for the thickness of the drywall. Now I'm ready to cut.